Welcome to the DIY Tax Knowledge Center. In this video we will explore how to use the Manage Your License subscription. Click on the Personal Profile menu and click on the Your Subscription menu option. Users are automatically allocated a free version when they register a new account. The free version is ideal for users that have small volumes of data and want to use the minimum features to comply with Making Tax Digital ITSA. Users should click on the Restrictions button to view more information about Free License Edition. Customers can avail of several discounts. We offer a discount if you use both of the Making Tax Digital services, and a further discount if you pay annually. Users on the free edition can delete their account at any time. Customers that upgrade to a paid version can change their card payment method at any time, and they can cancel their license subscription without providing any notice. I hope that this video tutorial has answered any questions you may have had about this feature. Thank you for watching.